Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, so are you ready with your copies? We'll discuss the notice. Yes, are you all ready with your notice? Okay, so read out what was the topic of the notice which I gave you?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes,
You are the secretary of the debate club of your school. The school is hosting the inter-school debate competition for classes 6th to 10th at school auditorium. Write a notice inviting students to participate in it. Invent the necessary details. Put the notice in box.
alright. Okay, so who will tell me about the format of the notice first and then we'll discuss what you have written? The format of the notice?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Navya?
Format. Then the heading notice, and then in the third line we write the date in numeric form,
Hmm?
and then we leave a line and start the topic,
Hmm?
and the right then we don't then we leave a line again and start the matter together, and then after leaving a line we write our full name, and
Hmm?
if some name is given then we write that name,
Hmm?
and then the class or the designation.
Alright. So first line center, Navya, we missed you on that particular statement. First line center, what do we write?
Name of organization.
Okay, name of the organization. And then finally you put the notice in a box. Notice and message both should be put in a box. Alright. And so first line center, name of the organization. Second line center, notice. Third line, your date in numeric form, left hand side margin. Then fourth line, center, your heading or the topic. Then again you will start the matter or the subject, the content, that also will start from the left hand margin. Then you finish off your notice and then you write your full name, and below your full name you either write your designation or your class. So if a designation has been provided to you, like head girl, head boy, sports captain, secretary, you write that. If not, then you write your class, and then finally you will put the notice in a box. Okay, so who will read out? Ashita, will you read out the notice which you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, I've written this is the information regarding the 10th inter-school debate competition that our school is organizing. Students from class 6 to 10th are allowed to participate. It will be held in the school auditorium on uh, 27th August 2020.
Hmm?
Interested students can give their names up till uh, 20 20th August 2020. Topic will be given to you at the time of the debate. For more information, contact the undersigned.
But how can you give the topic at the time of the debate? They have to prepare. So change this line, huh? Because it is a
Ma'am,
debate, na?
I'll change to topic will be given to you from uh, ma'am 3
Give
days
a
before from the competition.
give a particular date. All right, and they have to give their names. You have not mentioned give their names to whom. You said the last date for the names is so and so, but they have to give their names to whom? Class teacher or
Ma'am, I've written, I've not spoken, ma'am, to class teacher.
all
Ma'am,
right.
that line will.
Okay, okay, fine. Yes, anyone else?
Ma'am,
Yes, Anushka.
ma'am, this is to inform the students that our school is organizing inter-school debate competition is in our school auditorium for classes 6th to 10th.
Hmm.
Interested students are requested to requested to give their names to the class teacher.
Hmm?
It will held on 30th August 2020. The last date of registration is 25th August 2020. Participants are requested to assemble in the auditorium
Hmm?
at the time of the debate.
Okay, and like this is a debate, so you need to tell the topic also. All right. So either tell
Yes,
that
ma'am.
when will they get the topic, or you give them the topic just now. In the notice itself, you give them the topic. Yes, Navya.
That our school is hosting the 10th inter-school debate competition. The students from classes 6 to 10th are allowed to participate in it. The interested students are required to give their name to the respective house captains till 20th August 2020.
Hmm?
The competition will be held on 25th August 2020 at the school auditorium. The topic of the debate will be provided to you soon. For more details, contact the undersigned.
Okay, all right. Okay, who else is there? Who wants to read out? Anyone else? Sanya, Shreya, Siddhant, Dhairya, Harshita.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay.
This is to inform that our school is going to host an inter-school debate competition. It will be held on 22nd August 2020. Only students of class 6 to 10th are allowed to participate in the debate. The competition will be held at the school auditorium. So all the students, those who want to participate, or to take part in it, kindly submit your names to your class teacher. Only one student will be selected from each section. The selections will be held on 19th August 2020 after the school.
Have you mentioned the topic?
No, ma'am.
Better mention that also. That when will you provide the topic, or provide, if not, then you can provide the topic now. Mishti?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
Beta.
Ma'am, this is to inform all the students from classes 6 to 10th that the school will be hosting the 10th inter-school debate school competition in a few weeks at the school auditorium. The topic for the debate will be provided. The topic will be provided at the day of the debate. The students who are willing to participate have to submit their names to the respective class teachers. For more information, contact the undersigned secretary.
Okay.
Thank you,
Beta,
ma'am.
the topic of the debate you cannot tell on the day of the debate. So change that. All right.
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
3 days before, 5 days, because that is not possible. They have to prepare, because it is for and against, and then they have to prepare likewise. So that's why.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, where are Krishna, Kanesh? The boys are not here. And so many boys don't attend the classes. I don't know what is wrong with these boys. Now, if it were regular classes, see, Yavesh Charles has also. Yavesh, what are you doing, leaving and coming back? Stuti?
Ma'am, this is
No,
to
no, wait,
inform
wait.
that the
Stuti, listen. Better post a message on the group. Uh, the children who were there in the last class, so many are not here. Kanesh, Krishna, and then there are so many more who were there, and now they are not here. All right? Kanesh, okay.
okay, ma'am.
Kanesh is here now. Kanesh, what happened?
I'm sorry, ma'am. My phone was discharged, and I didn't even get the message.
Okay, but you need to be careful now, beta. You need to charge it
Yes,
at
ma'am.
night. And Siddhant? Siddhant, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, where were you in the last period?
My phone was not active that time
Why? Why was it not active?
because of network.
Okay, I thought it has become a dormant volcano. Now active. You need to be careful, all of you. Better at the time of the class, before that, check your phones. Check for the network also so that you are ready. Alright. Now, so will anyone else like to read? Any of the boy would like to read their notice? Anyone here? Yes, either Siddhant, Kanishk, Ahad. Yes. Have you written the notice or not? The one which I gave you?
Ma'am, invitation to enter school debate competition.
Yes,
one.
yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am, written.
Okay, then read it out. Do you have your copy with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, read it out.
Ma'am, good morning, everyone. This is to inform that our school will be hosting the 10th International School Debate Competition
I-
for classes 6 to 10.
Is it
From classes
international?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, international. Ma'am, inter-school debate. Sorry.
That is what I think. International.
I'm sorry, inter-school.
Okay, then.
Yes. Ma'am, for classes 7th to 10th in our school auditorium.
Hmm.
The students who want to participate, kindly give your names to your house captain or prefect. Students taking part have to be and they should be neatly dressed. Thank you. Vani Tripathi, Secretary of Debate Club.
Alright. Okay. So, message we have done just one. Yes, do you remember the topic of the message? Anyone here? Yes, beta. Ashita, Navya.
Yes, ma'am.
Navya, beta, tell me what was the topic of the message which I gave you.
You are Ritesh, a friend of your mother, Miss. At 11 o'clock, your mother was away to a movie. Mrs. Khanna told
Okay,
you to
okay. Alright. I got it. Alright. Write down a topic for message writing. Do you have your pens with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down.
Yes, ma'am.
You are Hari. You are Hari. Full stop. You leave a message. You leave a message with Ramesh apostrophe S. You leave a message with Ramesh apostrophe S, Ramesh's mother. About a football match. About a football match. In the evening. About a football match in the evening. At 4 o'clock. In which your friend 4 o'clock, in which your friend Ramesh must participate. In which your friend Ramesh must participate. Written till here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, full stop.
Ma'am.
Full stop. Ramesh's mother, Ramesh apostrophe S, Ramesh's mother leaves a message for him, leaves a message for him. Ramesh's mother leaves a message for him as she has to go out. As she has to go out. Full stop. Your word limit is 50. Put the message in a box. So you understand what you have to do. You are hurry. You go to Ramesh's house. Ramesh is not there. You leave a message with his mother that there will be a football match in the evening at 4 o'clock, and in this match he has to participate. Now when you are telling that he has to participate, then you have to give a reason why he needs to participate. Now you can give your reasons that because he's a good player, he's a good goalkeeper, he's a good hitter. All right, so whatever you want to write, give a reason why you are saying that he needs to be there, because you are saying that in which he must participate, so there should be a reason why he needs to participate. So give that reason also. And this message will be addressed to whom? Yes, tell me. This message will be addressed to whom? So
Ramesh.
Ramesh. And it would be written by?
His mother.
Okay, so mother. So you will write at the top message, then left hand margin, date in numeric form, same line, right hand side you will write the time, and then because the time of the football match is 4 o'clock, so you need to write accordingly. Now it should be somewhere between 12 to 2, 12 noon to 2 p.m. and not later than that. And then you will write Ramesh, write the content, and at the end you will write mother, then put the message in a box. Okay, can anyone tell me what will you write? Yes, take 2 minutes. Pen in rough, hurry up, pen it down in rough, and then let me know what you will write. As soon as someone is ready, please let me know. Are you people writing? Yes, 8th
Yes,
B.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, what would be the beginning?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, tell.
Ramesh, your friend Hari called up so as to inform you about a football match that will be held today at 4 o'clock in the nearby ground. You should take part in that as you are very good at football and as a good goalkeeper too, and it is your hobby. So you should be there in the ground by 3:30 as the match will be starting at 4 o'clock.
Alright. So you could either write that he called, or you could even write that he came. All right, because it says you leave a message. Now it is not saying that how you left a message, whether you came yourself, whether Hari came personally or he called. So you could write it both ways. So it's okay. Yes. Anyone else? Is anyone else ready with it?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, beta.
Ravi, your friend Hari
Ramesh.
ranked me. Ramesh, your friend Hari ranked me up and told that today is a football match at 4 p.m. in the nearby ground. You and he said that you have to take part in it because you are very good at football and you are very good at hitting the goals. So you should be in the ground by 3:30.
Okay. And at the end you will write mother. Okay, and you will put the message in a box. All right, so rest of you, you can
Yes,
write
ma'am.
accordingly as these two have read. So write accordingly. And any other confusion for English?
And we have to write in fair copy.
This particular thing, message you can write in your fair copy.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
All right. Yes, any other query, any other confusion regarding anything, the making of PDF, or otherwise also like the conduction of the half yearly exams, anything that you need to ask, or is everything clear now?
No, ma'am.
So is everything clear?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay, so that would be all.